Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add a background scroll effect in our Wix Studio website. So first I will find something that I want to have the animations. For example, we'll choose this one, this cell that has this image right here. So we'll just click on the inspector tool right here and then click on animations and effects with the lightning button right here, and then as you can see, I already have a background animation for this one, which is this slide on self. So if you want to edit this, you can just change the animation or you can remove it completely. So for example, I want to remove it, and then I will add another animation for the scrolling effect. Just click on the add button, and then we have different options right here to add our scrolling effects. For example, we have move, spin, parallax, so you can actually see the animation if you hover on it for a while. For example, I just want to use this shape animation. If you want to adjust it, you can just click on the adjust button, and then you can choose the animation area if you want to edit it, and then the intensity. And then since we are using the shape animation, you can choose if you want a square shape, a diamond shape, or an oval shape. So I'll just use the diamond shape, and then if we want to see how this looks on our website, we'll just click on the preview button, and then we will scroll down into that area, and then there we have our scrolling animation. It has a diamond shaped scrolling animation which reveals our picture whenever we go to this area right here. And then for another one, so for example, we want to have this text right here. We want to have an animation for that as well. For example, we just click this stack element that has all of this text right here. Click on the inspector tool, and then from the scroll animation, we will add some new animations. And then you can choose the animated element that you want to select. And then we just have the in and out animation type. For example, we can also just choose on canvas the specific element that we want to have the animation. So for example, this title right here, the holiday collection, I'll click on it, and then we have a bunch of animations right here for the scrolling effects. For example, I want to choose the move animation. And then if you want to adjust it as well, you can do so. And for example, I will change the angle right to this one. And for the distance, we can just keep it at like that. And the animation, I'll just keep it like that. And then if we go to the preview of our website, again, we will scroll down to that area. And then now we have our moving animation whenever we scroll to this area right here for the title of the text right here that says holiday collection. And that's really all you have to do in order to change some different animations. For example, you want to choose this section right here. You want to add another section, just open the inspector tool, go to animations and effects, find the scroll option, add an animation, and then from this one we just have the fade animation. So sometimes it depends on the specific element that you want to edit. Sometimes you will have many different options for animation, sometimes you will just have this one. So again, if we preview this to the website, again we will scroll down to that area, and then you can see right here it doesn't really show the fade effect. So if that happens, we can just again select a layer that we want to use. For example, this whole item right here. Again, go to the scrolling animation, and then we can choose some other options, like maybe we want to choose the flip option. Again, we will preview the website, scroll again to that area. We'll just wait for the website to load, and then again scroll to that area, and then now we have the flipping animation for that specific section. And that's really all that you have to do in order to change some background scrolling animations. I hope you learn how to do it on your own Wix Studio website, and thank you for watching this video.